Hey everyone, I just love it when you see my recipes in my channel. Yes, today we are going to make smoked stuffed capsicum in baby potato barbecue saucy gravy. Yes, we are going to learn how to make this smoky flavor all by itself at home. Oh yes, it's very easy. And here it is on the plate. Okay, before we start, quickly subscribe to our channel, The Purple Box, if you have not done it yet. Do like this video and share with your loved ones. Do write in the comment what you want to see next, and I will surely do that for you. We need boneless chicken cut into very small pieces. They need not be uniform in size, but more or less of the same size. You don't have to write the ingredients right now. Later on, I will give you a list of all the ingredients. Next, we need some onions cut into two different shapes. One, these small dices, and the other one are these rings. They are around half centimeter in width. And some chopped garlic. I like to use a generous quantity of it. Then grated ginger, again a generous quantity. And some tomatoes which are diced in small pieces. They are de-seeded. And it goes without saying we need capsicums. I bought these capsicums 2 days back. That's why they are so sad looking. Nevertheless, it will not disturb the dish. Now take one capsicum at a time and cut off the head like this. Yes. And see the soft portion inside, the spongy part which connects and binds it together inside. Gradually use your knife and then pull it out like this. It's very spongy and very soft. It's not a difficult job at all. Yes, just scoop it out like this and take off the seeds. See, you can see it's like a cup inside. We need to do this for all the capsicums. Now I have done it for all the capsicums. See, they look like a basket of green flowers. And here comes the boiled small potatoes, the baby potatoes. I have boiled them and then taken off the skin, and right now keep them aside. Few olives which are cut into two halves. Now some small pieces of charcoal. No, we are not going to have them. We need this for making the smoke. And barbecue sauce. I personally like American Garden. This is not a sponsored one. You can go for other brands as well. Dark soya sauce. This is one of my personal favorite. Well, now we are sorted with the ingredients. Let's go for the cooking. On a pan, heat some oil, then add the onion, tomatoes, the ginger, garlic, and then mix them all well. Allow them to cook for some time. Cover the pan. Don't add salt right now. And then simmer the flame and let it cook for 2 minutes. Now open the pan and add the chicken pieces. And then with the spatula, mix them all together and allow them to cook again. Well, let me confess. I did not keep it for 2 minutes. I kept it for more than that. So you can see I have burned few of those vegetables. But dear, you don't do that. Now allow it to cook for a minute, and then when you see they're sizzling and the watery fluid coming out, then give the capsicum and a good quantity of the barbecue sauce. I forgot to mention before, the capsicum heads that we had taken out, chop them into small pieces and cook them for the stuffing that we'll be putting inside. Well, now mix them all well and then again allow it to cook for another 2-3 minutes. The boiled potatoes that I showed you were divided into two portions. One portion was mashed, and now this will be mixed with the stuffing. The stuffing that will go inside will also have this boiled potato in it. Now mix all the ingredients together. Yes, it will take some time, doesn't matter. Mix them very nicely and slowly. There is no hurry. See, this is after around 3 minutes at low flame. See, all the ingredients are now binding together and it looks like a soft, yummy, tasty combination. Now add salt. Now quickly we will make the baby potato barbecue saucy gravy. On a pan, heat some oil and put the onion rings this time. We will fry the onions for some time before putting the other ingredients. Now jumps in the grated ginger and some whole garlic pods. I love this sizzling sound of frying. Mix them and allow them to cook, and after 2 minutes add the baby potatoes and then mix them all well and again allow them to cook. In between, mix them again, reposition them and again allow them to fry. Then after around 5-7 minutes, put some chopped capsicum into the mix and then again mix it all well so that they fry homogeneously. When it's a barbecue saucy gravy, it's obvious that we are going to use a lot of barbecue sauce. Again, mix and allow it to cook for some time. After around 5 minutes, pour 2 cups of corn flour mixed in water. Now sprinkle salt as per your taste and mix everything together, and our potato barbecue saucy gravy is ready. Now we keep the gravy aside and allow it to cool. In between, we take the cut out capsicum and pour in the stuffing that we had prepared earlier with chicken, potato, mashed potato and few other ingredients. See how I am pressing it inside. Take it in a spoon and then gradually with the back of the spoon press it inside. It will go and fill up the full space inside. Yes, like this. See, it's stuffed. Continue doing this with all the other capsicum cups that we had scooped out. Well, I have finished stuffing all the capsicums. You can see they are all filled with the stuffing that we have prepared. So it's ready to go to the next step. Again, heat some oil in a pan. This time it's really small quantity of oil, and place the capsicums on the side one after the other like this, and make a full circle keeping the center part empty. This is the second last step where we are going to create the smoke. So take charcoal which are heated on the flame directly and then pour some ghee on it, and then place some burning matchsticks on the top so that the smoke starts getting generated. If you find that enough smoke is not generated, you can add a bit more ghee. It's very important that you do this on a stainless steel bowl. And then see what I'm doing. I'm just mixing the ghee all over to create more smoke. Don't be impatient. It can take some time or it can happen very fast. Yeah, now the smoke is ready. So we take the bowl and then place it in the center of the pan where we had placed the capsicum. See, the smoke is going all over. So we cover and continue like this. Remember, the flame under the pan is on, it's simmered, and the bowl with the charcoal is in the center, so the heat is generating the smoke. After around 7-8 minutes, you can see water droplets inside and it's ready. See, the charcoal has stopped releasing smoke and our dish is ready. Let's quickly check out the ingredients. You can take a screenshot of this so that you can refer to it when you are preparing later. Tell me honestly, isn't it looking delicious? I'm going to have it with bread. You can also have it with rice. Place the stuffed capsicum at the center of the plate. Then pour the baby potato barbecue saucy gravy all around and decorate your dish with some olives, some chopped coriander leaves, and some sesame seeds. And it's ready to be served. Do prepare it at home and let me know in the comment section how you enjoyed this dish. Till then, take care. Bye. See you in the next video.